PHP offers different methods of sorting the elements in an array. We'll start with the sort function. In this example, we have an array called names with 8 values: John, Bob, Dana, Sue, and so on. To sort each value in the array alphabetically, we can use the sort function. To do so, we type sort and the name of the array in parentheses. Next, we can use a for loop to output each value in the array. You can see the output in our web browser, and each value is sorted alphabetically. Note that this sort function works for numerical values as well, and we can use the rsort function to reverse sort the values. So simply replace sort with rsort, save the file and refresh, and now you can see the order has been reversed. We can sort the elements in an associative array in ascending order by their value using the asort function. So here we have an associative array named tscore. Inside this array we have 3 keys and 3 values, John, Bill, and Dan being the keys, and the values being 60, 80, and 75. To sort them in ascending order, type asort and then the name of the array in parentheses. Next, use a for each loop to output each element in the array. And you can see in our web browser that we've sorted it by the value and not the key. We can sort by key rather than value by using the ksort function. And now we've sorted by key. To sort according to value in descending order, use arsort. So again, this is to sort according to value in descending order. So now we have 80, 75, and 60. To sort according to key in descending order, use krsort. And now we can see we have John, Dan, and Bill.